I'm going to solve a very important question that is often asked in A2 organic chemistry. Okay, so what happens? This is basically benzene when it reacts with bromine in the presence of aluminium bromide catalyst. So what happens? The Br would be deposited in the arene in this structure like this. So how does it happens? First of all, this reaction is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. In this way you will be able to have 1 mark. And after that, if they also ask you about the mechanism, then how you need to write it. So what happens? This is benzene ring, and when it reacts with bromine, which is electrophile, it is electrophile, and here benzene acts as nucleophile. So arrow हमेशा कहाँ से जाता है? न्यूक्लियोफाइल से जाता है towards electrophile like this. And what happens? This structure would be ruptured from here like this, and there's a positive charge because now it is having lack of electrons. So what happens? Bromine that attaches with hydrogen at this point. Okay, and in the next step what happens? The electrons from hydrogen, they would come back here, and this structure of bromine become like this. You need to take care of the arrows because this might can lose your marks as well. So there is a hydrogen ion which is released from here. If you want to see the explanation regarding that, so what happens when this nucleophile comes near to bromine, then these are basically the covalent bond. Okay, and that these electrons, they would be attracted at this point, causing it to have a negative charge, and this would having the positive charge because its electron is lost. So now again they are the same arrows that you can see here, and this is basically the structure. So in this way you need to explain this in exam, and you will be having 4 marks. Thank you so much.